Nais ko po lamang ipaalala sa inyong lahat na tayo po ay merong pamisa at konting daldalan at kasayahan sa ika-14 ng Disyembre. I just want to remind everyone that our bi-monthly Holy Mass and virtual reunion is on the 14th of December, and your presence and participation will be much appreciated. Thank you.